So, welcome students for this foundation class. We will welcome students for this foundation class. I will share the screen. 1 minute. Today we will look at what is called mental ability. Have you heard of this mental ability? Hello? Have you heard of an area called mental ability? Logical reasoning, mental ability. Have you heard of this? Hello? Are you able to hear me? Students, are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, see, this area is called mental ability. It comes in many of the exams. I mean, not in your board exam, but all these competitive exams it comes. So, I think should we take that or we will go to the 1 minute? I think I'll go to the mass itself. 1 minute, 1 minute.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So we'll go to the 1 minute. I think somebody has come. One minute, I will take the paper, new paper. Okay, right. Are you able to see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Now, I don't know whether we have seen this paper. Even if we have seen the paper, we will do it once again. Nothing wrong in it. So, good evening, students. We will now see the mathematics part of it. Okay, mathematics we will look at. Uh, See the 101th question. The sum of the exponents of prime factors in the prime factorization of 1771 is what it asks says 1771 is the number. You have to identify the prime factors. Have you heard of prime number? Have you heard of prime numbers? What are prime numbers? A number which is divisible by 1 and divisible by that number. For example, 3 is a prime number. 3 is a prime number. 3 is a prime number. That is 3 is divisible by 1 and divisible by 3. Is 5 is prime number? Is 5 prime number? Is 5 is divisible by 1 and 5. Am I correct? Is it divisible by any other number? 5. Hello? Are you with me? Is 5 divisible by 1? Yes. Is 5 divisible by 5? Yes. Is 5 divisible by any other number? Can 5 be divided by any other number? No. What about 6? Is 6 is divisible by what? 6 is divisible by 1, 6 is divisible by 2, 6 is divisible by 3, 6 is divisible by 6 also. So, 1 minute, I think. 6 is divisible by 6. So, here 1, 2, 3, 6 are the factors. So, what are the factors of 8? Can you tell me what are the factors of 8? What are the factors of 8? What are the numbers which will divide 8? Will 1 divide 8? Is 8 divisible by 1?
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, 1, 2, 4, and 8.
Yeah, 1, 2, 4, and 8. So, 8 is, so here we have 4 factors, and so this is not a prime number. What about 7? What are the factors of 7? What are
1 and 7.
1 and 7? So, 7, see, if you have a factors which is 1 and that number, and if you don't have any other factors, that is called prime numbers. So now can we list down what are the prime numbers from 1 to 50? Is 1 is called neither prime nor prime. I mean, it's 1 is not considered as a prime number. 2 is a prime number. 3 is a prime number. Then what is the next prime number? 2, 3. 2, 3. What is
5.
it? 5. Then
7,
7.
9.
9.
9. 9. Is it the prime number? Just see. Is 9 is a prime number?
No.
No.
No, sir.
Then what is the next prime number?
Sir, level.
11.
11. Yeah.
13.
13. Very good.
17.
17.
17.
Hmm.
19.
19.
21.
21.
23.
21. Is 21 prime? Is it a prime number?
No,
No.
sir, no.
It's not a prime number. Yeah. Then what is the next prime
23.
number?
23.
23. Then
29.
29. Very good. 29.
31.
29. Then 31. Yes.
37.
Yes. 37. Then 37 is a prime number. Then what is the next prime number?
Sir, 27 is not a prime number.
27 is not a prime number. Yes. Are you able to see the screen? Mathematics. It is written mathematics. Are you able to see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Now I am going to take one calculation PPT. There we will write down all the prime numbers. Okay. It has come. So let us write down all the prime numbers. Tell me, 2 is the prime number. Why we are not able to write it? One minute, I think I'm not able to open it. One minute. Right. So 2 is the prime number, 3 is the prime number, 5, 7, 11. Are you able to see the screen? Whatever I'm writing, all these numbers. Are you able to see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 13. Then
Yes,
what?
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, what are the next prime numbers? 17, 19, 23 you said, 29 you said, 31 you said, 37 you said, 41 you said, 43 you said, 47. Okay, now count how many prime numbers are there. Now you can count how many are there. Between 1 and 50, how many prime numbers are there? Between 1 to 50, how many prime numbers are there? Can you count?
Sir, 15.
15, yes, very good. Similarly, from 51 to 100, there are 10 prime numbers. Can you tell me what are the prime numbers from 51 to 100? (51 to 100), 10 prime numbers. What are the prime numbers? 51? Is 51 is the prime number? No. What about
No.
53?
Yes.
Then 59.
Yes. So 57.
59,
57 is not a prime
61,
number, I think.
67,
57, 19 into 3 is 57, no? So that cannot be prime number. What about 61?
61,
61, then 63, 64, 65, 66, 67. Just check whether 67 is a prime number. 67? Yes. What about 71?
yes, sir.
71, yes. 73? So let me put it.
Yes, 79,
79, then 83? 87 will come? No,
no,
it's
sir,
not 87.
89,
89, maybe. What
Yes,
about
97, 97,
90?
sir. 89.
89 I've written.
97,
So totally there are 10 prime. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The next one is how much? What is the prime number? 91? Is 91 a prime number?
No, sir.
It's not a prime number. Why? What are the factors of 91? No, 91 is not a prime number. No, it's divisible by 7. So 93, 93 not, 97 will be the prime number. So there are 10 prime numbers, 53, 50. So totally between 1 to 100, there are 25 prime numbers. This you should keep in your mind, because sometimes you get questions like some of these competitive exams, they will ask you to find out what is the sum of the all prime numbers between 80 and 90. So can you tell me what is the sum of the all prime numbers between 80 and 90? What are the prime numbers between 80 and 90? Between 80 and 90, what are the prime numbers? 83 and 89, am I correct? These are the two prime numbers between 80 and 90. They may ask you to find out what is the sum of the prime numbers between 80 and 90. You have to add these two numbers. Okay? Anyway, okay. So like that, you should know what is the prime number. And there is something called
172.
perfect number. Have you heard of this perfect number? Do you know perfect number? Six is a perfect number. You know why? 6 is a perfect number because the factors are, what are the factors of 6? 1, comma.
So 1, 2, 3, and 6.
Okay. So 3 and 6. Now you will leave 6. You add all the other 3 factors. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is how much? 1 plus 2 plus 3 is how much? If you add all other factors, it comes 6. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So
Yes, sir.
if you add all the factors other than the number, and if it comes to that number, then that is 1 minute. Sorry, I think. And that is called a perfect number. So 6 is a perfect number. What else is a perfect number? What about 24? Is 24 perfect number? Let us see. What are the factors of 24? 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4, comma 6, comma 12. So add all these things. Are you getting 24?
No, sir.
We are getting much more
No,
than that.
sir.
We are getting much more than that, isn't it?
Yes, sir. No.
So it is not a perfect number. Okay? Perfect number means, oh, people are coming, keep coming. Okay. So 24 is not a perfect number. What else will be a perfect number? What about 18? 18 may not be perfect. 24 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 6, then 12. So 12, 18, 22, oh, is much more than that. So that is not a perfect number. So likewise, you should know perfect. What is perfect number means? If you remove that that number itself is a factor, you remove that, and if you add all the factors, all other factors, then that should be equal to that number. Then that is called a perfect number. Okay. So 6 is a perfect number. So you should know some of these things, about the numbers. Okay. Right. Let's go to the question now. No, we were actually trying to solve some questions. Yes. So here, what is the prime number, prime factors for 1771? What are the factors? Let us see. One seven seven one. What are the factors for 1771? It can be 1. Then, is it divisible by 7? Yes, it is divisible by 7. So let's put 7. So if it is divisible by 7, what is that quotient? When you divide 1771 by 7, then it comes to 2, 5.
So it comes 253.
253. Yeah, 253 it comes. So 253, what is the factor of 253? 253. What are the factors of 253? What about 11? If you divide by that by 11, what will you get? So is 11 divisible? I mean 1771 is divisible by 11? 17166, yes. Is it divisible by 23? Just check. Is 1771 is divisible by 23? Without any reminder, is it divisible by 23? Just check. Yes, you get 77. Okay, yeah, 23 also divides the. So these are the factors 1, 7, 11, 23. But is all these are prime factors? All these things are prime numbers? Is 1 is a prime number? No, 1 is not a prime number. So among these, what are the prime numbers? 7 is a prime number, 11 is a prime number, 23 is a prime number. What is the question asked? Question asked is the sum of the exponents of prime factors in the prime factorization of 1771. The sum of the exponents of prime factors. So what does it mean? It means that 1771 is equal to, if you divide by 23, how much you are getting? 23, 77. So it is 7 square into 11 into 23. Are you getting 1771? 7 square into 11 into 23. Are you getting 1771? Just see. 7 square, 49 into 11 into 23. No, I think we are not getting 7 square, 49, 11. One minute. Divided by 7 means 253, and divided by 23, 11 will not come, no? 11 means 11. Yeah, so these are things. So it is 11 into 11, 7 into 11 into 23, how much you are getting? 7 into 11 into 23. 7 into 11 into 23, you are getting 1771. Now, 7 means 1. 7 power 1 into 11 power 1 into 23 power 1. So, if you add all the powers, how much you are getting? 7 power 1, 11 power 1, 1 plus 1, 23 power 1. So 3 powers are there. So the question asked is the sum of the exponents of prime factors in the prime factorization of 1771 is, it is 3 is the answer. Because why 3 is the answer? Now 1771 is written as equal to 7 into 11 into 23. 7, 11 and 23 are prime numbers and their powers are 1, 1, 1. So if you add all the ones, so 3 comes, so 3 is the answer. Okay, are you able to understand this question? Little tricky. See, first of all, you have to find what are the factors for 1771. Out of that, you have to find which are the prime numbers. And for the prime numbers, you have to find what is the power. So what we did was, so we found that the factors are 1, 7, 11 and 23. And 1 is not a prime number, so leave it. So we have 7, 11, 23, all three are prime numbers. The powers of this 7 power 1, 11 power 1, 23 power 1. So the powers are 1 plus 1 plus 1. So 3 is the answer. For this question, 3 is the answer. Are you able to understand or is it confusing? Hello? Have you understood this question? I think it's little tricky. You know, understanding the question takes some time. Anyway, we'll go to the next question. Okay, go to 103 question. Can anybody read 103 questions? 103rd question.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Can you read? Let me make it a little bigger. X plus y equal to 3. X square plus y square equal to 5. Then find xy. How will you find? See, x plus y equal to 3. X plus y equal to 3. Then x to the power 2 plus y to the power 2 is equal to how much? X to the power 2, y to the power 5. Okay, it's 5. We want to, it's 5. So they want to find xy. So if you take x plus y whole square, sorry. What is x plus y whole square? Can you tell me? A plus b whole square, like that. A plus b whole square equal to a square.
Sir, x square plus
X square plus y square plus 2xy. Am I correct? Is this correct?
yes, sir.
X square plus y square plus 2xy. Okay, now x plus y they have given 3. So this side it is 3 square. 3 square is 9. 9 equal to x square plus y square they have given as 5. Then 2xy plus 2xy. We want, what is the question? Question asked is, then xy is, we want to find xy. So, how will you find, what is the value you are getting? Are you getting xy equal to 2?
Yes.
Are you getting xy equal to 2? So I have given step by step. X plus y equal to 3 they have given. X square plus y square equal to 5. That is also given. We want to find
Yes, sir.
xy. So I have just x plus y whole square I have written. So I substituted and from that I am getting xy equal to 2. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Right.
sir.
Go to question number 104. The area of triangle formed by the points minus 2, 0, 0, minus 2, 2, comma 0. So the points are comma 0, then minus 2, comma 0, then 0, comma minus 2, then the 2 comma 0. These are the 3 points. You know what formula you have to use? This is the 3 points of a triangle. You have to find the area of the triangle. You know the formula? You know or you don't know? S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C into this will be equal to area square. Square of area will get. Where S is equal to, oh, that way we cannot do it. This formula we cannot do it. Okay, let us find out minus 2, 0, minus 2, 0, okay, and 0, minus 2. Suppose you take this one and draw a triangle. With this you draw a triangle. Let us try to draw a triangle with this. Let me draw a triangle. No, using Google, I'm drawing a triangle. Let us see. Draw a triangle with points we are not showing the triangle, huh? Oh, they are finding the distance and then doing it. So that is okay, but I just wanted okay, I think we'll go by their method only, no problem. We'll go by their method. See, these are the, okay, this is not the right formula. Now you have to find, these are the 3 points, A, B, C are the 3 points. You have to find the distance between A and B. Distance between A and B is, suppose if it is like this, x1 minus y1 is 1 point, and another point is x2 minus y2 is another point, and the third point is x3 minus y3. Let us say these are the 3 points. Now the distance between x1, I mean point 1 and point 2 is nothing but that distance square is equal to x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. So now from this you can find, so d square is equal to, what is x1 here? Minus 2 and x2 is 0. So minus 2 square, that will be 4. Am I correct? See, x1 is minus 2, 0, 0, minus 2. These are the 2 points. The x1 is minus 2 and x2 is 0. So x1 is minus 2 and minus of 0. So minus 2 whole square is 4. Okay, I am putting like that. Y1 is 0, 0 minus of minus 2, that is plus 2, that is again 4. See, 4. So d square equal to 8. Suppose this is A, this is A, this is B, this is C. Then AB is equal to, that's the AB, side AB is equal to 8. Similarly, you can find side BC. Side BC is equal to 0 minus 2 whole square, that will be 4, and minus 2 minus 0 whole square, that again 4, plus 4. So that is again equal to 8 BC. Then CA minus 2, CA is 2 comma plus 2, that is 4, 4 square 16, okay, plus 0 0, that will be 0, so that is equal to 16. So this is equal to CA is 16, CA square actually, I think. Yeah, D square, no? AB equal to 8, BC equal also 8, BC is equal to 8, and CA is equal to 16. Now, once you know these three sides, AB, BC, CA, then you can find out using this formula, S into S minus. Have you studied this formula? Have you studied this formula? Hello? Area square equal to S into S minus A into S minus B, S minus C, where S is equal to sum of all three sides divided by 2. Sum of all three sides. So like that the formula goes. S into S minus A, S minus B, you should do like that. So you will get the answer. Anyway, I think that will take some time. So this is the way you should do. Where's the question? Yeah, that's the way you should do. Okay. So we'll go to at least the method we know. Okay. The area of equilateral triangle is 25 root 3 centimeters. Then perimeter is. What is equilateral triangle? What do you understand by equilateral triangle?
All sides
Triangle
are
means three
60
sides.
degree.
Equilateral triangle means what? All three sides are? All
60
three
degree.
sides are equal. So all three angles are also equal. All three angles will be 60 degree. All three sides are equal. Now the area they have given, they want to find perimeter. What is the formula? Why you are not, you people don't remember the formula, I think. Area,
Half BH.
no, area of equilateral triangle. Correct? Is it correct? Equilateral, yeah. Lateral triangle is
Root 3.
root 3.
Eh,
So 3, root 3 I cannot write as, I will have to write 0.5, no, something like 0.5. Right? 3, root 3 I will write as 3 to the power 0.5. Root 3 by 4. Root 3 by 4, a square, isn't it? Root 3 by 4 a square. A is the side. So this they have given. What is the area of triangle they have given? 25 root 3 they have given. This is equal to 25 root 3. This is equal to 25 root 3. That is into 3 0.5. So this 3 0.5 sorry. This is equal to 25 into 3 to the power 0.5. I mean, instead of root, I am just doing like this. Okay. Now root 3 cancelled. So what will come? So a square is equal, a square divided by 4 is equal to, that side you will have only 25. So what is a square then? A square equal to 4 into 25, that is 100. So a equal to 10. Isn't it? A square equal a equal to 10. So what is the now perimeter? Perimeter means all three sides you have to add. That is 10 plus 10 plus 10. 10. So that is equal to, what is the answer? 30. Are you able to understand? The equation is, the formula is root 3 by 4 into a square is the area of the triangle. So root 3, instead of root 3, I am writing 3 to the power 0.5, because in this PPT you cannot write root 3, into a square divided by 4 equal to, they have given that as 25 into root 3. So root 3 cancels. So a square divided by 4 equal 25. So a square equal to 100, a equal 10. Perimeter equals 3a. 3 sides, 3a, that is 30. So let's see whether answer is there. Yes, 30 answer is there. Okay, good. Okay, read this. See, 106th question. Can you read 106th question? Any one of you? One of you read it. If the ratio, can you read it?
Yes, sir. If the ratio of the surface area of two cubes is 16 is to 36, then the ratio of their sides will be
So,
12
surface
to
area of
9.
cube is how much? There are 6 surfaces. Each surface, the area is a square. So, 6a square, isn't it? So, surface area of this thing will be 6a square. 6, let's say this is a1 square, or put a square. The other this thing will be 6 b square, let us say. B square. These are the two. So 6, then what are they asking? Okay. What are they giving? They have given, it is in the ratio of 16 is to 36. 16 is to 36. So 6 cancel. So a square divided by b square equal to 16 divided by 36. So what is a divided by b? A divided by b is equal to square root of 16, square root of 6, that is 4 divided by 9. So 4 divided by 6, sorry. 4 divided by 6, that is equal to 2 divided by 3. The sides are in the ratio 2 is to 3. What is asked? They are asking the ratio of their sides. It is in the ratio of 2 is to 3. Just see how we got it. 6a square is the surface area of one cube. 6b square is the surface area of the another cube. So 6 this divided by that 6 gets cancelled. So a square divided by b square equals 16 divided by 36, because they have given 16 is to 36. So a divided by b will be square root of 16, square root of 36, that is 4 divided by 6. That is equal to 2 is to 3. 2 divided by 3, that is equal to 2 is to 3. Got it? Are you able to understand? Hello? Are you with me
Yes,
while
sir.
doing this problem? No, if you can't understand, then there's no point in me going to the next problem. No, okay, the sine theta cos theta I'm skipping because I'm not sure whether it's done for you. Okay, let's look at this. Can you read 112 question?
Yes, sir.
Mm.
If the diagonals of a rhombus are 18 centimeter and 24 centimeter, then its side is
Okay, what is rhombus? Tilted square is rhombus. Tilted square is rhombus. See, I'll
square.
show you what is a rhombus. Rhombus. I'll show you what is a rhombus. Rhombus shape diagram. This is a tilted square. So if the square is tilted, it means all the 4 sides are equal, but all 4 angles are not 90 degree. Okay, and it has got 2 diagonals, D1 and D2. D1, D2 is the diagonal. Now, what is asked now? What is asked? If the diagonals, one diagonal is 18, another diagonal is 24, what is its side? If one diagonal, see this, no, I'll take that picture once again. Where is this picture? See, these diagonals intersect with 90 degree. D1 and D2 are there. D1, D2 intersects at 90 degree, and this is the midpoint of D1, midpoint of D2. So, half D1 will be one side of a triangle, half D2 will be another side of a triangle, and this one will be half D1, half D2, and this AB, this will be a right angle triangle. Okay, so now they have given one diagonal is what? One diagonal, I think, 1 minute. One diagonal is 18 and 24. Okay. So, one diagonal 18 and 24. One diagonal is 18, another diagonal is 24. What is the half of the one diagonal? 9. Half of the another diagonal is 12. And these two make two sides of a right angle triangle. They are asking the side, and right angle triangle, in that right angle triangle, the opposite to 90 degree is the side, hypotenuse. So what will be that length? Length of hypotenuse equal to Pythagoras theorem. So you have to find 9 square plus 12 square. That will be the side length square actually. So that, let us say the length square. So how much no, this is 9 square. How much you are getting here? 81 plus 144, that is equal to 225. So what is the side? Side, that is L, is equal to root of 225. How much is root of 225? Square root of 225. How much it is?
15.
Square root of 225. What is the answer?
15.
15. So 15 is the answer. The side will be 15. Hmm. 15 is there. No, that is it. So that is the. So you need to find these things. You have to know it's a rhombus. Rhombus is nothing but a square, but then all four sides are equal. But all four sides, the angle, all four angles are not 90 degree. But the diagonals intersect each other. It means that center point of the meeting point of two diagonals, that will split the diagonal into two equal parts. So that is the midpoint of the diagonal for both the diagonal. And one side of the side of one diagonal, of the side of another diagonal, and the one side of the rhombus will make a right angle triangle. And from that you can find the side of the triangle. Okay. Okay, one last question we'll see. 113. Can you read this question? Can you read 113, please?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Which of the following numbers will completely divide 4
4 power 61 plus 4 power 62 plus
61
4
plus
power 63
462
plus 4
plus
power
4
64.
power 63 plus
Okay, I'll tell you how to do this. This is a tricky thing. It's not difficult, but it's tricky thing. Okay, now I'll show you how to do it. So now you tell me what is 4 power 1? How much it is 4 power 1? 4. 4
4,
power 2?
16,
Yes, 16. 4 power 3? 4 power 3? 4 into 4 into 4. How much you are getting? 4 into 4 into 4. How much you are getting? What is your problem? 4 into 4 into
32.
4. 4 into 4 into 4. How much you are getting? What is the difficulty in telling the answer here? You unmute and speak. You open the mic and speak.
64,
64. Why are you taking so much time? Then 4 power 4 equal to how much? 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. How much you are getting?
256.
Huh? 256. Okay. Now 4 power 1 is ends with 4. 4 power 2 ends with 6. 4 power 3 ends with 4. 4 power 4 ends with 6.
256.
256. Yeah. So either it ends with 4 or ends with 6. Like that it goes. Now 4 power, what is it? They are asking? 4 power 61. 4 power 61 will be, it will end with what? 4 power 61 will end with what? Either 4 or 6. You tell me which one. Either it will end with 4 or it will end with 6. So it will end with 4 only. Yes, it will end with 4. Similarly, 4 power 62 will end with 6. And
6.
4 power 63 will end with 4 again. Isn't it?
So
1 minute, 1 minute. I'll just make. So 4 power 64 will end with
6.
6. Now, what is the question asked? Let's see. They say 4 power 61, 62, 63, 64. You have to add. If you add all these things, what will you get as a final number? The last digit will be 0. Some number ends with 4 and some number ends with 6. Another number ends with 4. Another number ends with 6. But if you add all these things, will you get 0 or not? The last number.
0.
It will be 0. It ends with 0. Now the question is, which of the following numbers will completely divide this one? So among the 4 options, which is the correct option? If the last number is 0, which will divide completely?
10.
10. That's all. 10 is the answer. So if you find any of these like this, you can find. And this rhythm will come. For example, I will tell you. Okay. This is 4, no? Let's go to 3. Some example we'll take. You tell me what is 3 power 1? 3 power 1 equal to how much? 3. 3 power 2 equal to? 9. 3 power 3? 3 power 3. 3 into 3 into 3. Open your mic and tell.
3.
No. You 3 into 3 into 3. How much
9.
it is? No. 3 into 3 into 3. How much?
27.
Appa, my
27.
God. Why are you so 3 into 3 power 4?
27.
Now 3 power 3 is 27. 3 power 4?
81.
81. Okay.
81.
Yeah, 81. Correct. 1 minute. I'll just make some space. What is 3 power 5?
243.
243. So 3 power 6?
749.
729. Huh?
729.
29. Now
729.
you see the last digit is 3, comma 9, comma 7, comma 1, again 3, again 9, again it will come 7 only. 7, 1. Like this it will repeat. 3, 9, 7, 1. Again it will come 3, 9, 7, 1. So anything you take the powers, it will be repeating. It could be 2 digits will be repeating again and again, or 3 digits will be repeating again and again, or 4 digits will repeat again and again. Once you know this, suppose I wanted to know 3 power 33. What will be the last digit? You tell me. 3 power 33.
9.
3 power 33 is 9.
No, sir, 99.
No, 3 power, no. I just want the only last digit only. See, every fifth one is 3.
7.
Every fifth one is 3. So 4 with 32, out of 33, 32 is divided by 3. So the next one will be, so 3 is, it will be in 3 only. The last digit will be 3. Why? See, 1, 2, 3 power 3, 3 power 4. 3 power 5 is 3 again. So here, so once you, this 33 you divide by 4, so 8 quotient and 1 is remaining. So that 1 means that fifth one. So that is 3. Suppose they ask like this, 3 power 36. What is the last digit? 36 divisible by 4. So what will be the last digit is? That
1.
is, huh? Yeah, tell me.
1.
1. Yes, 1. Finished. That's all. So you can find out like this. Whatever be the problem, it will be repeating digits only. It could be 2 digits repeating, or it could be 3 digits will repeat, or 4 digits will repeat. Maximum 4. So from that you can find out. If suppose somebody asks like this, whatever is 3 power 100, what is the last digit? What is the last digit? 3 power 100?
3.
Check. Check.
Is it 3, sir?
No, you check. Check means that you are wrong. When I am saying you check means you are wrong. So you check. Three power 36, we said last digit is 1. Why did we say last digit is 1? The 36 is divisible by 4. That is the reason. And the remainder is 0. So 100 also is divisible by 4. Remainder is 0. So what would be the last digit?
1.
1. Finished. My God. So like this, we can go to many problems. Okay, 1 or 2 are difficult, but most of the problems you can solve. We will again continue in another class. Okay, we'll meet again on the next Saturday. Or Saturday or Thursday. I think most probably Saturday will be taken by Annapurni. Thursday I will be taking. We will again continue with mathematics another 3 or 4 classes.